Good morning.
Morning.
A little bit rainy today in Lake Como. It's the last day of the regularly scheduled ferries though, so we're gonna try to take one anyway. Spoiled for choice. Well, I hope you like boats, because we've got another 2 hours of this.
I do like ferry boats.
Should arrive at 11:24. Going here.
Be on this side. Take my price off.
Do you want to tell people what is happening now?
Okay, so we are in Bellagio, and this is a specialty of the area. It's a risotto with perch, and like, ooh, like perch, you know? Haven't had that in a long time. That's what we're about to have.
What do you think of it?
Oh, the rice is good. I haven't tried the perch yet.
Oh, okay.
Getting there.
Can you describe it for us?
So the rice has a nice lemony taste. It's creamy and lemony. It's also supposed to be pistachios in here. I guess those are like little slivers of pistachio.
Oh, okay.
And then the fish is just nice and lightly crisp and buttery tasting. I think it's really good.
Hot chocolate, cappuccino. Oh, there's bread too. I didn't even see that arrive. So how was lunch?
It was delicious. I got my
Fancy
view
meal.
at a nice restaurant.
Questionable translations. It's just so stormy. It's cold. Well, there's nothing like a bit of cold to inspire you to change your plans. I thought we'd be able to stick it out longer, but it's gotten so cold so fast and everything's closed. So it's time to think about moving on. We think we've decided to go to Australia. They don't waste any time, we're casting off.
Wow, I guess so.
Arrivederci. Ciao. This water is crazy. Look at this. Oh, someone got really wet.
I'm really, really glad we're really, really close.
Yeah.
Not be like laughing.